I am going to make my own face cast. I feel like if I've got my own face cast, that gives me more makeup opportunities, and I've got loads of ideas in my head, but I need a face cast to do them. So I finally got the stuff for it. I've watched a bunch of tutorials and I'm going to try and do it myself today. Okay, so the things that you'll need, I think. This stuff, I'm not good at this. Plaster moulding roll. So you know, it's the stuff that you put when you break you put your body in a cast if it's broken. That's this stuff. So that will be going on my face. Cement, plaster of Paris. Cling film to wrap around my head. Vaseline to support my face, to protect my face, and scissors. So let's do it. Let's do it. This is when I start to look like a prick. Great. Vaseline to protect my eyebrows. Put on my lashes as well. Feels weird. I'm just all over the face really. Okay, now I'm lathered up in Vaseline. It's ready to put my face in a cast. Here we go. Oh, it's cold. How are you guys spending your Monday evening? If you're claustrophobic, this might not be for you. I feel like $1 million right now. Oh, okay. Okay, I've just cleaned myself up a bit because there was plaster everywhere. That's me. I think I should have waited for it to dry a little bit longer because obviously there was still a lot on my face, as you could see. But for those who are claustrophobic, you're not gonna like it that much because I started to feel a little bit uncomfortable. As it was drying, you kind of feel a bit more stuck. So I was like, okay, yeah, that's enough, and I took it off. But I've still got the basic shape. I obviously didn't cover my eyes completely because I sort of needed to see a little bit, you know. So I'm gonna just sort of fill it in as best as I can to my eye shape. Yeah, so I might patch it up just a little bit more because there are some bits that are like a little bit flimsy, and then we'll fill it up.